All right, we're back in action on Tim's 69 Cougar. Went over today. We actually helped Tim move a couple things around his unit for him because we still have the issue with the trans, which I'm sure everybody saw that video from earlier today. So we have had timing cover. We have a whole mountain of parts for the 428, but here's the timing cover. It's been in the ultrasonic for a while. We've been letting it marinate, and boy howdy, the schmutz is just coming off. The schmutz and the crappy paint. Yeah. We also have the crank sleeve. That's actually looking very nice. And I'm gonna take this apart, put a bearing in, don't you worry. It's easy to do, but we're getting all the scuzz and icky paint off of that as well. So, it's coming together. And we'll probably continue with this more on Monday. Look at that. It just gets it nice and agitated and gets all the schmutz off. I actually flip this baby over and put it back in.